So hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys summer essentials, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. So yeah, without wasting further time, let's get started. So my first summer essential is sunscreen. I've been using this Popoxo sunscreen. It has SPF 30 PA+++ and it has water gel formula. It's non-greasy and for all skin types, and also it leaves no white cast. And sunscreen is the most important skincare product to maintain long-term skin health. And also some people believe that we should apply sunscreen in summers only, but it's totally wrong. The truth is you should apply sunscreen in every day of the year, like no matter it's summer or winter, you should protect your skin from sun. And also the benefits of sunscreen go beyond from protecting your skin from sun, like it prevents from sunburns, tanning and much more. So you should never skip sunscreen. Okay, my next summer essential is lip balm. I've been using this My Glam lip balm, which is in shade Bite Me, and this is how it looks. Let me show you guys the color of it. This is how it looks. It's very light pink. People do apply lip balms in winters, but it is equally important to apply it in summers too, because the skin on your lips needs protection from harmful sun rays. So if you're someone who wants to buy lip balm, I'll definitely recommend you guys, you can buy My Glam lip balm and you can go for any shade you want. So yeah, so my next summer essential is hair serum. I have been using this Biolage deep smoothing serum, which smoothens and controls frizzy hair. So this is also very important in summers, like if you have dry, frizzy or dull hair, so you can just apply hair serum. This will give you silkier and glossier hair. And also if you use styling tools like straightener or curling or hair dryer, so just apply hair serum before you use those styling tools, because it will protect your hair from heat damage. And also if you don't want to buy hair serum, you can also go for this leave-in conditioner. This is a L'Oreal Paris Dreamlands. This will also work same as serums, but the thing is, if you apply leave-in conditioner, you will feel like you have applied something on hair. And if you apply these serums, this is very lightweight and you will not feel that you have applied something on your hair. So it's your choice, whatever you want to buy, you can just go for it. So yeah, so my next summer essential is moisturizer. So I've been using Purple Glow Trap moisturizer. It has hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. These ingredients are very good for your skin, and this is for all skin types and especially for dry skin. And its primary concerns are dehydrated skin and signs of aging. And also it has no paraben, no sulfate, no mineral oil and no alcohol. And also it's very lightweight and quickly absorbs into my skin. Let me show you guys the texture of it. This is how it looks, and it has the watery texture. You guys can see it's very lightweight. You will not feel like you have applied something. Definitely recommend you guys this moisturizer if you want to buy moisturizer, so just go for it. This is very good. So my next summer essential is body scrub, and I've been using this Oriental Botanics body scrub. This is very good. This scrub is very gentle to the skin to retain skin's soft and supple texture. A body scrub is must for summers. It buffs away dead skin cells to reveal your fresh, glowing and nourished skin. So I have dry skin, so this suits to my skin as it has neem, tea tree and basil. And neem is a very good ingredient for your skin. So I'll definitely recommend you guys, if you have dry skin, you can just go for it. And also it has a mild fragrance, but this fragrance I don't like it, but it keeps my skin soft and supple, so that's why it's good for my skin. So that's why I'll definitely recommend you guys. So my next summer essential is face serum. So I have been using this Satin by GHC Glow Skin Serum. So it has ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin C, multani mitti, cocoa butter and turmeric extract. Face serum is very important in summers because it absorbs quickly into the skin and it feels so light on skin. So you can just go for any face serum which suits your skin type. So yeah, okay, so my last summer essential is a sheet mask. So I always use sheet masks from different brands, but currently I'm using Manish Malhotra Sandalwood and Saffron Brightening Sheet Mask. My favorite skincare product in summers is sheet mask because you just have to apply it and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and you'll get the results without doing any efforts. So I really like it. So this one is a brightening sheet mask, and you can go for any sheet mask as of your skin concern. Like if you want vitamin C, hydrating or brightening sheet mask, or many more in market, so you can just go for it. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope this video helps you. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.